Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I am torture testing the skid plate that I just installed, this Iron Baltic HDPE. And oh look, there's a GoPro there and there's a big rock I'm just going to glide over. Oh yeah, look at this, see this stump? Oh, eats it up, eats it up. Don't know what kind of bird that was, but it was a bird in the woods. So yeah, I've had some ample opportunity to try this new skid plate, and I am so happy. Over rocky stuff like this, it just glides over these granite rocks that usually bite right in. Like this is what I have to ride in, this sort of unhospitable terrain that is not the normal cushy mud and you know, nice dirt trails. This is bouldery, rocky granite, and it kills bikes, is what it does. If you don't have protection underneath your bike, you're gonna lose parts, and you know, a real hard hit on your frame, you're done. So you got to be careful. You got to be really careful. Like there's these rocks, boulders all over the place. So for example, this, I just glide right over it. So I'm looking for more rocks to glide over, because this skid plate is built for this, versus aluminum that just bites right in. Iron Baltic sell aluminum skid plates as well, but I chose for the HDPE solely because solely because of the terrain that I ride. It's all rock, and aluminum is resilient, but I don't like how it digs up. Like, for example, that rock that I just hit and went over. I would have been fetched up if it was an aluminum skid plate there. So let's bust out Mr. GoPro and that right there like that. We're gonna hit go. So as you can see, this rock here is about up to there. Big rock. Pardon my hair, folks. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this so far. Let's go find some more stuff. All right, folks, this is what the skid plate looks like after I beat off that rock a couple times. You can only see a couple slight tiny dings. Like I mentioned in the install video, the it's doubled up where it matters, and it's literally just tiny little scratches on here, and it glided, as you could see in the video. It just glides over the rock versus when I have my aluminum one, the aluminum bites on rocks, especially in this granite in Nova Scotia. So I'm pretty stoked. Let's find some more stuff to wreck the skid plate on. All right, folks, so we have another likely candidate for the torture test, which is this rock right up here. And let's hit it. Slide, slide. And that's pretty much it. It makes I'm gonna go back and get my camera. It makes hitting rocks not like hitting rocks, if you know what I mean. There's my other camera. So this is the rock right here, and you can see a little tiny bit of plastic wore off onto it, but that's fine. Hitting these without protection is gonna ruin your buggy. It's even if you have, I don't like to diss aluminum, but I kind of do in this circumstance. And the reason I say that is that aluminum will flex. This plastic will not flex. Bit of a backfire there. Yeah, this plastic will not flex. So it's protecting your bike more than aluminum, because aluminum will just bend and wrap around, excuse me, bend and wrap around your frame. As I showed you what my old aluminum skid plate looked like. I'm super pleased with this. Let's find some more stuff to bash off of. So this little spot here is a perfect example of why we need skid plates. Getting up over stuff like that. This skid plate is just the most perfect thing. I hope I'm not overdoing the praise of this, folks, but I'm just in awe with how resilient and strong and how little hitting these rocks. Like, look at this rock I'm gonna hit right here. Right up over it. All right, folks, there's a big rock, and I'm in a bit of a swamp here, so let's see what we can do to get out of here. Oh no, there's a big rock in the way. All right, folks, there's a big rock. I'm in a bit of a swamp here, so let's see what we can do to get out of here. As you can see under here, folks, no damage whatsoever. Awesome. So, needless to say, oh, I'm trying to get up there. Iron Baltic skid plate, 10 out of 10. Top quality, excellent install. I can't say anything bad about it, and I'm the guy that says bad stuff about stuff. So go out and get one, link in the description. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe. I would also like to I'd also like to give a continued shout out to my friends that are also YouTubers. We have ATV and an S, Scotian Off-Road, 506 SXS and ATV. We got Bruteforce Explorer, that's me. We got Your Local Senders, Maritimer ATV. And then we have ATV Fun with Rodney Hickey, and my latest sticker is from Norm's ATV. He had an ATV, and I had an ATV sticker there, and now he's got a side-by-side, so replaced with the side-by-side sticker. And of course, Iron Baltic. Thanks very much all. Like, share, subscribe.